Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to see a subscription in Play Store. When today's video, I want to teach you how to see your subscription in Play Store. So this is very useful if you want to cancel something that you don't want to pay for, or if you want to resubscribe on something. So this video is for you. So first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. Once your Play Store has been opened up, click on your profile picture on the top right here. After clicking on your picture on the top right, click on Payment and Subscription. After clicking on Payment Subscription, you will see Subscriptions and click on Subscriptions. There you go. Here are all the subscriptions that I am right now, and also my expired subscriptions. As you can see right now, I have activate the Google one, and my expired one is hearing clear sound amplifier. So I can resubscribe from this, or I can remove this completely so I don't mess up and pay for it accidentally. So I'll remove it. Remove. And there you go, guys. So that's how you do it. And a bit of a tip for you guys. You can also choose a payment method right here at the payment or subscription. So you see right here, click on the payment method. And here are all the payment methods that you can choose. You can add credit card, add smart communication, billing, PayPal, ShopeePay, add Gcash, and add Maya. And you can choose more payment settings if you want. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.